So this is tiny, like when you look at it, you get a little closer to the nature, and the nature can give you a lot of beautiful thing and learning from it and enjoy it in life. Life is short, so we better get closer to nature and understand about it and enjoy about it and what the nature creation and for us to enjoy and be happy with it. So beautiful, guys. Today kind of a very beautiful day, blue sky and getting warm, sunshine all day. It's not that bad, right? You can look green. My fisherman tree look green, and the lawn look really green too. That too, I just planted, but really fruit. They already have the fruit. Take a closer look on it. See, you already have it here. Yeah. Look at that, beautiful. Do you love nature like me? See? All right, go back here and look at this one, and look at my banana tree here. Just a little baby here. See, got two more baby. This lady really growing well again. The weathers on the winters, and another one here. This is from last year, but you say they can grow very well. This banana tree, so you can look how beautiful it is. So beautiful. You better get one from somewhere and just plant it in your house, backyard. Look, this amazing baby banana tree. See, this amazing baby. This is the baby, right? They will get bigger. Give them a little time, so they will grow bigger. They will create a lot of baby. This banana tree. She's a little taller, and look at their beautiful leaf here. Well, I can feel the shade. This banana leaf, so beautiful here. Wow, it's amazing nature. I really love it. So I'll get a little closer to the mama. See, can look at here. Go back, take a look. All right. See dancing now with the wind. Can't tell, guys, and how I feel about it. When you get in touch with it, you will feel it, the powers of our Mother Nature, and enjoys a lot of energy. Again, like when you get closer and in touch with nature, so you can feel the powers of nature really naturally heal in the mind and natural heal in. Okay, my kid he play with Bambi. She really smart, so she's smart. She lovely dog. She lovely Bambi. Look at that. Really playful. See. Yeah, we really enjoy this time, this season. Really beautiful. It's like all green looking, and really enjoy for this antioxidant green. All right, guys. If you guys like it, please give me like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Please click the bell to get the new video like this. All right, guys. One more time, you guys like it, please give me like, comment, and leave the comment, and then subscribe and click the bell to get new video. If you don't click the bell, you cannot get new video like this to really enjoy, really be happy, really understand more about nature, you can see, and really powerful about nature. You get closer and you see they got some fruit here, really green and beautiful. Some little baby fruit here. You can see all these things here, beautiful. And my kid, they play with Poppy again, Bambi. She really happy. So it's getting warm. It's not that really hot. All right. Hi guys, I have to go now. You like it? Just like it. Comment and subscribe and click the bell to get new video like this. All right. Bye bye guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.